So this is Nile, guys. It's a traditional name. What does the word Nile mean?
The tracker.
Tracker.
Yeah.
Nile means tracker. Nile means track as well. And let's ask the commander a bit. What is feeling of the dog? What's the success? Have they found any people with the dogs? Is there any small stories you can tell us?
Kata siya kasing Libya te inche. So the commander is saying that we have done several best with Nyayo in the community.
In the community.
Yeah.
So how this team works is that all of these guys are from the community. They assist the communities with any crime related, or they assist the communities with anything when it comes to search and rescue with the dog. And you can see she's facing that way. She just wants to go and follow that spoor. There's people making a track right now, and she's urged to go and follow tracks. So little Nile, she's now 7 years old. Bloodhound Doberman cross, 75% Bloodhound, 25% Doberman, and her handler just wanted to sit the whole time, but she's just on the edge to go. She wants to follow a spoor. She wants to get going. So we'll put this team to test today, and we've been here April last year, the last time, and we have a mentorship program running. We mentor the rangers to reach professional levels, which they have accomplished quite some time ago. And it's just normal maintenance training now and assessment to make sure the team is still happy and to see if there's any shortages or any methods we must follow or changes or little problems or anything in that line. So perfect, guys. Let's test it. Let's see how she's doing.
Yeah. Mabitangas.